Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the NIMO N151, a 15.6-inch budget-friendly laptop that's been gaining attention online. It comes with Intel's latest N100 processor, 16 GB RAM, and a 1 TB SSD, all for a surprisingly low price. But how good is it really? Let's find out. Display. Starting off with the display. We got a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS panel with a 1920 by 1080 resolution. The colors are crisp, the anti-glare coating works well under bright light, and the 85% screen-to-body ratio gives it a modern edge-to-edge look. Design-wise, the Dale blue color really stands out. It's clean, minimal, and feels more premium than most laptops in this price range. The body features a metal A-shell, which gives it a solid and durable build, while keeping the weight at just 3.8 pounds. Performance and processor. Under the hood, the NIMO N151 is powered by the Intel N100 processor, part of Intel's 12th gen lineup. It's a quad-core chip with speeds up to 3.4 GHz, offering performance that's actually comparable to an Intel i3-1115G4 in everyday tasks. For productivity, like web browsing, office apps, and streaming, it's smooth and efficient. You can also do light photo editing or casual multitasking, thanks to the 16 GB DDR4 RAM that, of course, it's not a gaming machine, since it uses integrated Intel graphics, but for daily use, it's more than capable. Storage and upgradability. You get a 1 TB PCIe SSD out of the box, super fast, and plenty of space for your files, videos, and projects. The best part? Both the RAM and SSD are upgradable, so you can expand later if you need more power or storage. Keyboard and fingerprint sensor. Typing on this laptop feels great. It comes with a backlit keyboard and a full numeric keypad, perfect for students or professionals who work in low light. And there's a built-in fingerprint reader, which adds a layer of security and makes logging in fast and easy. Connectivity and ports. Connectivity is solid. You get Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, so your wireless connections are fast and stable. For ports, they're the USB Type-C, multiple USB 3.0 ports, an HDMI port, and a media card slot. That's plenty for connecting monitors, drives, and accessories. Battery and power. The N151 runs on a 38Wh lithium polymer battery. Expect about 5 hours of regular use, maybe up to 7 hours on standby. It also includes a 65W Type-C PD fast charger, which can top it up quickly. Audio, webcam, and miscellaneous. You get HD audio speakers that are clear for calls and videos, and a 2MP front webcam. Decent for online classes or meetings, IT runs Windows 11 Home out of the box and is a great all-around option for students, home users, or business professionals. Warranty and value. One thing that sets NIMO apart is the 2-year manufacturer warranty and 90-day hassle-free returns. That's a big confidence booster. Plus, it's partially assembled in the US. Final verdict. So, who's this laptop for? If you're a student, casual user, or someone looking for a budget-friendly daily driver, the NIMO N151 offers incredible value. You get a clean design, solid performance, fast SSD, and modern features like Wi-Fi 6 and a fingerprint reader, all at a great price. Definitely worth checking out. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews every week. Drop your questions in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them. See you in the next video.